Hello everyone, from today onwards we are starting with the Dravyaguna drug series which includes 97 drugs. Today we are going to discuss about Triphala. Triphala means three phala which are like Amalaki, Aritaki and Vibhitaki. In this video we are going to discuss about the fruit Amalaki. In Kannada we call it as Bettad Nellikai. In English it is called as Indian gooseberry. In Hindi it is called as Avala. The botanical name of Amalaki is Phyllanthus embolica, which belongs to the Euphorbiaceae family. Charaka Sutra 25th chapter called as Amalaki Vayastapananam, which means Amalaki is the best anti-aging antioxidant and it is the best Rasayana and Vajikarana Dravya and it is the best immunomodulator drug. On the regular basis, one can take and it is also on the daily basis, hence it is called Nitya Sevaniya Dravya. The paryayas of the Amalakis are like Rusya, Vayasta, Shiva, Datri. Why it is called as Shiva? Because it is very priya to the Lord Shiva. On the event of Tulsi Vivaha, we are going to keep the leaves of this flower. Hence it is priya to the Lord Shiva. How to identify this tree? It is the small deciduous tree which is having the globular fruits with 10 to 8 ridges and its leaves are paripinnated leaves. And it is having the main identical feature is exfoliating bark. The useful part of the Amalaki is its fruit is the useful part. The main phytoconstituents present in the Amalakis are like chabulic acid, lupiol, tannins and the phylanthe. Rasadi Panchakas of Amalaki are like it is Ambla Pradhana, Pancharasa Yukta, Lavana Varjita. It is having the Ruksha Guna and the Saraguna and it is Shita Virya and the Madhura Vipaka. The main indication of this Amalaki in case of like it is the best anti-aging and it is the best rejuvenator in case of Jwara, Prameha, Pandu, Kamala and in case of Kasa, in case of Vajikarana it can be used. Main dosage forms of Amalaki. If you take Churna it should be 3 to 10 grams. If Kashaya it should be taken 30 to 100 ml. If taken Swarasa it means freshly prepared juice of Amalaki it should be taken 10 to 20 ml. There are n number of formulations on Amalaki are currently available in the market. The important are like Chavanprash Avaleha, Brahma Rasayana, Triphala Gruta, Narasimha Rasayana, Makara Dwaja. So many are there. Thank you.